Hey you guys, it's your boy Flox. Today I'm going to show you guys how to unload your 12 gauge shotgun pump pistol grip Maverick 88. As you guys can see, so today I'm just going to show you guys how to unload it. I already know you guys know how to load it, so I'm just going to show you guys how to unload it, and hopefully you like. Subscribe to my channel because there's exclusive shit coming out and you guys might like it, and I like to make people laugh. So let's do this. Be with me, guys. And excuse me about the camera, but it adds 10 pounds, so if it looks like I'm fat, I'm not. It ain't because I can't gain. Alright then, so let's get it started. Well, as you guys can see, here's the shotgun. Um, shells, 12 gauge slugs, birdshot, Winchester, I think. So I'm just gonna put in two real quick, maybe three. Fuck it, I'll put three. Fuck it, I'll put three. So fuck it, I'll put four. So there it goes. There's four in here. So you pretty much rack it. Then, as you guys can see, there's a little button right there. That little button right there. This one. You're gonna push that in. Pump back, and it should come back. And same thing with the other one. See, and they all come out. Boom.